Found a YSPJADDG file lurking in an old browser folder and wondering what on earth it is. This is leftover data from a discontinued Yahoo browser plugin. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these files are and how to handle them safely. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the YSPJADDG file. I'll reveal it at the end. YSPJADDG files are plugin data files associated with the Yahoo SmartView browser extension, which provide enhanced search and content preview features. They contain configuration cache or auxiliary data used by the SmartView plugin during operation within supported web browsers prior to the service being discontinued. YSPJADDG files use a Yahoo-proprietary binary or text-based structure storing plugin operational data, such as cached preview content, user preferences, extension, state information, or temporary working data. The format follows internal Yahoo SmartView specifications without public documentation for third-party application support. This YSPJADDG file is designed specifically for the developer tool Notepad++ by Don Ho. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows provides only high-level details, so activating the plugin must be done in the appropriate tool. Your first step to success, right-click the YSPJADDG file and choose Open With. If Notepad++ is installed, try it first. If you don't see it, pick a different tool. You might need to try a couple to find the ideal match. If the YSPJADDG file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Since the YSPJADDG file requires specific software, we must confirm the setup. Let's quickly review these key details on our preparedness checklist. First, identifying file origin. Check the file location and creation context to confirm Yahoo SmartView association. Files typically reside in browser profile directories or Yahoo application folders. Right-click the file and select Properties to examine size creation date and parent application references that confirm origin and current relevance to your system. Next, opening as text. Try opening the YSPJADDG file in a text editor like Notepad++ or Sublime Text to inspect contents. Plain text or XML-based plugin data will display readable configuration entries while binary content appears as garbled characters indicating a non-text format requiring specialized handling. Finally, removing obsolete files. Since Yahoo SmartView has been discontinued, YSPJADDG files are typically obsolete and safe to remove. Back up the file first, then delete it from your system. If browser issues arise after removal, restore from backup. Otherwise, these legacy files can be safely cleaned to reclaim disk space. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.